Hey guys, Mr. Jorgenson here in Glacier Bay National Park. Coming out here, camerawoman I should say, my beautiful wife filming here. We are looking at the Lamplugh Glacier, which is kind of at the edge of the Johns Hopkins Inlet. And so what we're looking at is, look at how far we are off the ocean water here. We're a good 100 feet off. And look at how high that glacier is. And what I want to point out to you, you go ahead and back up, darling. What I want to point out to you is, if you look at the sides of this mountain here, you can see this one is completely rounded. But honey, if you zoom in on that over there, look at the cuts in the rock there. That's all been rounded due to glacier weathering. So when we talk about one of the 4 types of weathering being glaciers, that's what we're talking about there, is that these glaciers really do have a lot of power in carving out this rock. And they're tremendously heavy. So when they're moving through this channel here, you can see the land that they've cut. If you go on this side, you can see where the glaciers have been. And then up there, you can see that the glaciers were not ever there because those rocks are jagged. So we know where the glacier stopped, even though we don't presently see it there. We know that it was once there because it's smooth there from the weathering of that glacier. So if you look down here in the water, you can see that our cruise ship is kind of churning up a little bit of the glacier silt that comes off of these glaciers as it melts. So the water is this unique blue because of the silt that's in the water. This water absorbs all other visible wavelengths but reflects back this blue color, which is what gives it this unique color. It's also what gives the glaciers their unique blue color as well. This is one of many glaciers that are in Glacier Bay National Park, and if I show you the map here, you can see we came in here, and our cruise ship came all the way through here early this morning. We came in here to see the Marjorie Glacier, which is where I showed you some pictures at earlier, and the Grand Pacific Glacier. And then we came down here and we turned over to see the glacier here that we're looking at right now. Now we could go further in, but our ship is too big to go around Jaw Point Corner there. So we're going to be here, and then we're going to head back out here for some whale watching this afternoon, just to give you an idea of the scale of this park. This right here is Glacier Bay of all of Alaska. And of the Glacier Bay National Park, we just went up just this little bit here. So this is big country out here in Alaska. These glaciers are always changing. Some are growing, some are receding. But we're out here on this cruise to not only see Alaska, but to also bring you some science, to give you some maybe goals in the future about coming out here and exploring these cool places and getting outside, not just for being on a cruise, but to actually go out and see the science and the history around these places. So this is Mr. Jorgenson coming to you from Glacier Bay National Park. Get outdoors and explore.